In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jira product discovery project. If you're new to Jira or just looking to expand your project management toolset, this guide will help you get started quickly and effectively. We'll walk through the steps required to set up a Jira product discovery project, providing some valuable tips along the way to make your experience seamless and enjoyable. Let's begin by navigating to the left sidebar within your Jira interface. Here, you'll notice a menu option labeled Projects. As you move your cursor over this option, something magical happens. A little plus icon will appear right next to it. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. This step is essential because it opens up a whole new world of project possibilities within Jira. Once you're in, you'll be presented with a variety of project templates to choose from. Now, this might seem overwhelming at first, but don't worry. There's one template that stands out for our needs, the Product Discovery template. This is specifically designed to help you in organizing and managing your product discovery activities efficiently. Click on Use Template to select this option and set the foundation for your project. Next, you'll need to add some personal touches to your project, starting with a name. Choose something clear and descriptive that will resonate with your team's goals or the specific product you're working on. Additionally, you'll be prompted to decide on a key prefix. This is a short identifier that precedes the numbers of issues within the project. It's crucial as it helps in categorizing and easily recognizing your project's issues, especially when dealing with multiple projects. After you've made these choices, the next and final thing you need to do is click the Create Project button. With that simple click, your Jira Product Discovery project is ready and waiting for you. It's a straightforward process, but one that sets the stage for effective product development. And just like that, you're done. By following these steps, you've successfully set up a Jira Product Discovery project that will help streamline your workflow and boost your team's productivity. This kind of organization can assuage many project management headaches, allowing you to focus more on creativity and innovation. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful and that you now feel confident in setting up your own Jira product discovery project. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out other tutorials on our channel for more insights and tips on everything Jira related. Happy project managing, and see you in the next video.